Hey Drip Droppers, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. You're part of my journey, which is learning not only how to do the painting, but how to create a community that enjoys it too. So thank you. If you're new, I hope to earn your subscription. We have fun on this channel. I leave my bloopers in and things that go wrong. Yeah, they do all the time. But today what I'm going to do is a canvas, and I'm going to do like long swipe pours across it. I did a project I called Tranquil Lake. I'll try to link to it up here so you can see it. Love those colors. So I'm going to see if I could do like a matching canvas for it. So we're going to start out. I've got my paint here that I'm going to be using, but I think I really want to get, kind of cover my sides a little bit. So let's start there so that I want to make sure those are covered. So if the paint doesn't make it down there, we still look good. And I don't have a paintbrush handy, so I'm just using this little spatula. All right, so we got our pillow paint on, and let's get started here.
The colors, some love, lonesome dove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of sunlight.
Hey, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do a flyover so you can see how it turned out. This canvas turned out amazing though. I love it. And thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.